Being comfortable on camera is a valuable skill that can benefit various aspects of your life, whether it's professional presentations, video content creation, or even video calls with friends and family. I'm Jacqueline Green, Chief Educator at GAI's Behind the Design, where we are reimagining education, training, and support for interior designers. Today, I have 4 tips to help you feel more at ease and confident on camera. First, know your material. Prepare and rehearse what you will say or present. Being confident in your content will help you alleviate stress and enable you to focus on your delivery. My second tip is to dress appropriately. Wear clothing that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Dressing professionally can also enhance your confidence and credibility on camera. The third tip is be mindful of your body language. Pay attention to your body language and facial expressions. Smile when appropriate, maintain eye contact with the camera, and use gestures that emphasize your point. Finally, be yourself. Being authentic is the key. Remember that you're not trying to be someone else. You're sharing your unique perspective and knowledge. Embrace your natural self and let your personality shine through. Now remember, becoming comfortable on camera takes time and practice. Don't be too hard on yourself and enjoy the process of improving your skills. With experience, you'll gain confidence and be able to present yourself with ease on camera. Now, if you need help getting started creating video content for your interior design business, check out our new guidebook covering everything from your equipment to sharing your videos. Exclusively created to help interior designers, it's free to download on behindthedesignco.com. Now, if you found this helpful, please give us a like or share us with your friends. And I will see you next time.